Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix this iPhone number cannot be used by iMessage and FaceTime error. If you're also facing this kind of issue, in this video I will show you how you can fix that. So without wasting any time, let's move to the video. First of all, you need to close that error. So there are some possible solution to fix that issue. If you are using eSIM, just delete eSIM and re-enter it in your iPhone and then try it on your iPhone. Okay, if that method not working and you are using physical SIM, then you need to eject the physical SIM and then reinsert it on your iPhone, and it will 100% fix your issue. Okay, if that method not working and you are still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down below. Okay, after scroll down below, you need to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that. Okay, now tap on reset and reset network settings and apply it on your iPhone. Okay, if that method is not working and you are still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. Okay, press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the last one. The last one, check your software update. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update, your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS and it will 100% fix your issue. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix this kind of issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.